G'day, Adam from Aussie Cruises. Today we're cooking duck. We'll be out in the CampCube, but first we're just going to do the crisping up of the duck, and it's going to be a red curry duck, or gang bet bang. So once you've had your duck on and cooked up, you bring it, come out, put your wok on the hot coals, a couple of teaspoons of what is it, Masuri I think, Masuri red curry paste, and you just cook that up, fry it up in a bit of oil. We're just using the duck oil, the duck fat, duck oil. Then you throw in some coconut cream, milk, sorry. As you can see, it's getting that red curry colour. So it's, I think it's two, I don't know, how big are they? Little. Two little ones. I think they're about 250 mil.
No. What's that say?
Well, we haven't got our glasses, so we can't see. But anyway, about 250 mil of coconut milk, maybe 300 mil.
Just put the lot in.
So you put the lot in, coconut cream again, I said milk. But yeah, and you can get that, what do you get it to boil, or?
I don't know, it's hot already.
And with the heat of the coals, it's hot. Then you throw in a bit of
Well,
this
this is what I do. I just put this in.
chicken powder stuff, and a bit of white magic powder, otherwise known as MSG. Just stir it a bit more so we don't burn it. I've lifted it off the coals a bit.
It's burning my arm.
It's burning Pete's arm because I had it too far away.
There's the duck.
And then you throw the duck in, literally. As you can see, that we've sliced the duck up from when it was cooked inside. Now you don't have to cook. You could have cooked that duck over the CampCube. We just did it quicker because we're at home. But if you're out in the camping, you could do it over. Well, you could do it in your camp oven.
Kaffir lime leaves.
And some kaffir lime leaves, probably about 3 or 4 kaffir lime leaves shredded up. Then your tomatos, small cherry tomatoes.
Just use this end because I've got to wash this off.
So throw your tomatoes in, and then just let it sit for a bit, soak it up, and you just stir all that in, as you can see, and then you throw the lychees in and pineapple. And we're only showing you this because this just shows you when you're camping you don't have to cook the basic food. You can actually cook a nice Thai meal.
I don't know if the Thais cook like this, but I do.
Yeah, well, this is how we cook it, but you can actually cook up a nice Thai meal when you're out camping instead of just cooking the plain old steak and bacon and eggs and whatever else. And then once you've done that, you have a bit of a taste test. As you can see, Pete's having a taste test. She thinks it needs a bit more curry, so she's going to throw a bit more curry in, get more heat into it, spice. Stir it in. And we've cooked up inside because we haven't perfected the cooking of sticky rice, but we've cooked it inside tonight. But we'll try cooking the sticky rice outside one day and show you how to do it on a CampCube. And you throw a bit of fish sauce in there, and pretty much that's it, done. Ready for dinner. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and comment. Love to know what you think. And subscribe to my channel, and I'll get you some more content out as soon as I can. Thanks.